insulation power transformers. So we have for now the 3 transformers were under oil refilling and degassing. Degassing means purification. After oil filling, the oil is purified from moisture, whatever moisture the newly oil filled had accumulated, or whatever impurities it had, and whatever gases it created internally. So these were the gases that is trapped inside the oil. So this will be subject for purification, which is termed as degassing. Okay, this is the degassing machine, guys, and this is also serves as the oil filling machine. So this process were conducted yesterday and until today not yet finished. So this is to update you guys that what had been accomplished yesterday was only transformer C, and transformer C was under several routine tests. Okay, by the way, guys, these are the oil that is used in the refilling. Okay, this is the specification of the oil, guys. This is a mineral oil. Okay, a mineral oil means there are 6 gallons. These are the barrels by the way. Mineral oil, by the way, it means that this is a byproduct of the petroleum-based oil. Unlike the type of oil used for transformer, which is more superior than mineral oil, is the FR3 oil. So that FR3 oil is a soybean oil extracts, and it is more biodegradable than the mineral oil, and these are byproducts of petroleum based. So the handling of this oil, guys, when these are deteriorated, needs proper handling, because that will help pollute the environment. Unlike the FR3 oil, insulating oil, is plant-based soybean extracts, so that is more degradable. The handling, it does not affect the environment. Okay, so for now, this compartmentalized transformer, the transformer C, and what is left on that transformer test, routine test, is the insulation power factor test. We locked the stud bolts, so it loosened the reading. So that is to be continued. The list of routine tests conducted for all these transformers, say the turns transformer ratio test, the insulation resistance test, the winding resistance test, the open circuit test, the impedance circuit test, the dielectric breakdown test, and the gas, the dissolved gas analysis of the oil inside. So we will discuss to you on that, why we have to take those particular tests on each transformer, guys. And just letting you know by now that we have completed transformer C, oil field, and already degassed, and already conducted the routine test for this. And this one is just completely filled with oil. This is transformer B, and routinary test was not yet conducted. Okay, so we can verify it at the sight glass, or the indicating gauge. See, when the oil is filled, when the transformer is filled with the insulating oil, okay, this is the sight glass, and the indicator at the conservator, this is the conservator part of the transformer, indicates the oil level, indicates between 7 and 8. So between 7 and 8, it means that the level is at its normal, okay, at its supposed normal state value, okay. So we can say it passed a little, but it's negligible, guys, okay. And okay, these transformers, by the way, need to be constructed with a cable tray. So cable tray, and because this is a bushing type transformer, on top is to be constructed a transformer box. Okay, a transformer box for this type of transformer is still to be constructed. So in this side, primary side, a cable tray, and on this secondary side, another cable tray. So that is to be done, guys. But this transformer is already filled with oil, okay. So this is a moisture absorber, guys. The silica, what is inside of this tube is a silica that will eliminate moisture that is trying to go inside the chamber of this transformer, that will be captured here. All this transient moisture, or anything that will try to contaminate the space between the oil and there is an airspace of that. So this one will capture all these variables. And again, guys, what is lacking on this pad mounted transformer, compartmentalized type, is the insulating power factor test. So that will be simultaneously done together with transformer B and transformer A. Now transformer A is still on the process of oil filling. It was found out that there is a blockage on the piping because the gasket inhibits the flow of oil. That's why the oil backflows itself. There's a back pressure because there was a blockage of the pressure from going inside. And now we are near nearly filled. So we are nearly reached the desired level. It's between 7 and 8. Okay, so the same goes with this one, guys, transformer A. And this is a bushing type transformer which needs to have a transformer box on top for splash protection and a cable tray on both sides. Okay, so this silica still to be installed here. Okay, and this is for your update, guys, and maybe by next week we can do or perform the routinary test for these two transformers left. As for now, since yesterday, the activity done was only oil filling on these three transformers, and that one has already undergone routinary test. These two have not yet undergone routinary test, so by next week this will be scheduled. Okay, routinary test for transformer test, guys, includes turns transformer ratio, the winding resistance test, the insulation resistance test, and the circuit impedance test, the open circuit test, the dissolved gas analysis test, the dielectric breakdown voltage test, the short circuit test, and I hope I did not forget some of these tests, no? But those are some of the tests that we need to perform in order for us, even though this is brand new, guys, we still have to subject this to determine really if the inside of these transformers, do it pass the factory acceptance test. Still it follows the recommended test to be conducted at site, which is called site acceptance test. And this test performed is to determine how healthy the windings of these transformers, the internal structure of these transformers can be determined through those list of tests I mentioned. The insulating properties of the oil that was just filled, that will be also a factor on that. And of course the windings, the status of the windings, the construction of the windings, all these are to be considered and determined through a series of tests, just like a person, just like us. We are we had undergone ourselves through a series of physical tests, like this blood test to determine the values if we have high blood sugar. We have the blood pressure test. We have the what is this? You have all these blood tests, the uric acid test, like that. The same is true with the diagnostic of the equipment. We have to put the equipment into a series of tests to determine if it is healthy. That is our only target, guys. If it is really operable and ready for energization, though it's brand new, but still all these things inside that we cannot see inside this construction had to undergo diagnostic test to say the least that it is healthy. Okay, only these two guys will be subjected by next week, and the remaining tests for transformer C is only insulation power factor test. So thank you for updating to you guys. This is a sort of information, update, reference, and this will help us determine if we have overlooked something. We can trace it back through this docu. If we have overlooked something, we can trace it back where we failed. Or I hope we have not overlooked anything. Okay. So, by the way, this transformer, guys, is on as a neutral earthing. So the neutral passes through a neutral earthing resistor here. This is its neutral earthing resistor. This cable came from the neutral point of the transformer. So this is PT, okay, and this is the resistor, and the unbalance, whatever system unbalances or symmetrical unbalance produced by the three windings of the transformers will be dissipated here. Okay, it will go through here and then dissipated through a resistor. This will act as a load, and it does not go directly to the earth, because before the high current that flows in here will be transformed into a heat or a load, which is a form of a heater, and slowly the current will a small current will now goes through earth, but not without this. The greater current will directly flows directly to earth, which is very dangerous. So before we discharge it to earth, the resistor or the neutral earthing resistor will function as the dampener. It will lessen the value of current that will go through to the earth, and nobody will be electrocuted when it is discharged to the earth. Okay? Because sometimes there are inrush currents of the transformers that cause unbalanced loads, unbalanced, unsymmetrical values inside the three cables, the three phase, and then those unbalanced currents will be redirected in this neutral point, and then dissipated to the earth through a resistor. This will hit itself when there is a large current passing through, and slowly lesser current going to the earth. Okay? So this is the transformer. See? Okay, this is the transformer neutral grounding resistor, guys. Okay? So these two transformers had each one. So guys, more updates on this one when we have the routinary tests for power transformers. And I think it's up for now, and the transformer A had just complete itself. Okay, I think this is enough. This is enough.
Makikita yung mga titira dyan.
Now they are about to finish the filling, and this transformer, just filled, will now be undergoing purification. So even though the oil, guys, is brand new, the transformer is brand new, inside of it there are total dissolved solids, there are dissolved gases inside the transformers that are trapped inside the oil. There are flammable gases, minute gases that will cause explosion, okay, or will deteriorate the insulating properties of the insulating oil. So these are to be degassed, or meaning purify. We have to purify. Though how brand new it is, it's still under purification process. Okay, that's the purpose of degassification. So thank you guys for this chance to inform you and letting you know about the electrical machines that needs to be taken care of, proper handling. Okay, we will update you more on these electrical machines, guys. Thank you for now. Bye bye.